CNN. The New York Attorney General on Thursday sued President Donald Trump's charitable foundation along with its directors, the president, his sons Eric and Donald Jr. and daughter Ivanka, alleging they violated state and federal charities law.
Attorney General Barbara Underwood alleges a pattern of persistent illegal conduct over more than a decade that includes extensive unlawful political coordination with the Trump presidential campaign.
Underwood is asking a court to dissolve the Trump Foundation and wants $2.8 million in restitution plus additional penalties.
The Attorney General seeks to ban Trump from serving as a director of a New York not-for-profit for 10 years and Trump's children from serving for 1 year.
Letters were sent to the Internal Revenue Service and the Federal Election Commission to identify possible violations of federal law. The complaint alleges that the Trump Foundation engaged in repeated and willful self-dealing transactions to benefit Trump's personal and business interests.
As our investigation reveals, the Trump Foundation was little more than a checkbook for payments from Mr. Trump or his business to nonprofits, regardless of their purpose or legality, Underwood said. This is not how private foundations should function, and my office intends to hold the foundation and its directors accountable for its misuse of charitable assets.
The investigation also found that the board existed in name only and did not meet after 1999. Additionally, Trump allegedly made all decisions related to the foundation.
This is politics at its very worst, a Trump Foundation representative said in a statement. The foundation has donated over $19 million to worthy charitable causes, more than it even received. The president himself, or through his companies, has contributed more than $8 million. The reason the foundation was able to donate more than it took in is because it had little to no expenses. This is unheard of for a charitable foundation. The foundation currently has $1.7 million remaining which the NIAG has been holding hostage for political gain. This is unconscionable, particularly because the foundation previously announced its intention to dissolve more than a year and a half ago. The prior NIAG, who was recently forced to resign from office in disgrace, made it his stated mission to use this matter to not only advance his own political goals, but also for his own political fundraising. The acting NIAG's recent statement that battling the White House is the most important work she have ever done shows that such political attacks will continue unabated.
The White House press office did not immediately respond to a request for comment from CNN, but the president tweeted about the suit. The sleazy New York Democrats, and they're now disgraced, and run out of town, AG Eric Schneiderman, are doing everything they can to sue me on a foundation that took in $18,800,000 and gave out to charity more money than it took in, $19,200,000. I won't settle this case, he said in one tweet.
Schneiderman, who ran the Clinton campaign in New York, never had the guts to bring this ridiculous case, which lingered in their office for almost 2 years. Now he resigned his office in disgrace, and his disciples brought it when we would not settle, he said in another tweet.